I was eagerly waiting by a river so deep, with a current so strong that a person would swim. I was waiting so long that it felt like eons. I heard some songs that sounded like cans, then like people, and a few seconds later, I saw three brothers. My joy couldn't be greater. They looked like dummies, carrying small sticks. My smile grew larger. Their death I would fix. But then light erupted from what turned to be wands. A bridge was constructed. They could cross and walk on. Sweat built up on my furrowed brow. But I had to be nice, so I walked on down. With a beaming smile, I bowed down my head and told them a wish I would grant them each for constructing such a wonderful bridge. The first one asked for one of power, which in the world will be no equal to no other. I made it for him and gave it flourish. On mind, my thoughts turned boorish. The second brother I really disliked, for he asked for the power of life. At first his request made me feel humiliated, but then thoughts of revenge left me feeling elated. He knew not I was death in body and spirit, so I gave him a blessed stone from the rivers below it. The third brother I felt would be easiest of all. An invisibility cloak, I gave him my own. I kept track of each as they separated. Each took a direction where their death awaited. The first one used force in his powerful wand to murder his nemesis in one foul stroke. But that very night, into his chamber slipped another magician with a blade that was slender. He stole the wand, hungry for power. The brother he murdered and then left the tower. So the first of the brothers came quickly to me. But what would the fate of the second one be? The second brother was at his house. The stone he was using, waiting for his future spouse, he summons his love and greeted her warmly, but her spirit was cold, and she only looked warmly. Slowly apart, her spirit fell, for it was not meant for the mortal plane, and for his trouble he died by his hand. The third brother, the one I thought dumb, disappeared somewhere. He could not be found. For many years I searched my whole world, but no one, nowhere, knew where he huddled. And what felt like eons, later I saw an old man take off his cloak. But that was my cloak, the one he had stolen, while the one I gave him but meant as token of his untimely death. And so he surrendered at ripe old age. He walked slowly into my cold embrace. But when I looked to pick up my cloak, it had disappeared along with his son. And so centuries later, at night I do shiver, for I have no cloak, and sometimes boys disappear from my burning sight, while the old fathers come to me willingly when their lives expire.